Hello guys, and welcome. This is another video from Spartan Drives. I'm now outside of Vienna, and today I'm driving the all-new 2022 HRV Honda 1.5 liter engine with also another electro engine. Together it puts out 135 horsepower, but this car is not about the horsepower. It's about efficiency, and it's also about family. Okay, it's a small crossover. You cannot say this like an SUV. This is smaller, and it's front-wheel drive. As you can see here inside, we have a very nice, so decent, not very nice, but it's okay, quality of the materials inside of the cabin. I can say for this price range it starts almost for 25,000 euros. This is the advanced model here in Austria. I think it's okay. So I will drive it now little outside of Vienna. We say this autobahn here, so highway. I hope that you can enjoy the ride. As you can hear, we can hear nothing because now it's the electromotor. I put here, and now inside you can see which motor is working, and now we are in electro modus, and you will see later when I will drive on the highway that after I think 60 kilometers it comes also the petrol engine to work. And let's drive. When the electromotor works, only the electromotor, the car is very quiet inside. Now you can hear the petrol engine, and it becomes a little bit more noisier inside of the cabin, but I think this is normal. Now when we will be on the highway, I will try to put the system, the driver assistance. It means that the car drives for you. Okay, I think not everything alone, but it drives. Let's see. So now you can hear it's very noisy inside because I use also the engine of the petrol engine, sorry. Okay. So now I will try the driver assistance. I want to see how good this is. So this is for the steering wheel, and then we put this and set. Okay, now here I can put it how fast I want to go. So I will put it to 100 kilometers, not more. So as you can see, when I don't touch the steering wheel, it informs you. So when I make this, now the car drives from itself, sorry. We go with 100 kilometers. Again, you must only do this, and then the car understands that you are awake or you are here, and then it drives again. So now here you can cancel everything. Put this and this and this, everything. And now you can drive normally again. So I think this is a very decent car. This is a very nice small family car, because I must say this is small. If you have maybe 2 children or also 1 dog, the space is not enough. So average 5.2 liters gasoline at 100 kilometers. When the car drives only with the electromotor, it's really very quiet inside. But when you put the pedal, when you floor it, then you can hear it is very noisy. So just here